I'm Miao. Welcome to my video. Today is a day for hosting friends at home. We are cooking ourselves and making a big feast. So I want to show you what a typical Chinese kitchen looks like. I know my home is a little bit small, but it's cozy, and I think it's a right size for me to live in comfortably. Just my cute home. See? This one? Wow. You know, when we have time, my friends are always come over to my place for dinner gatherings. We cook a lot. Okay, we have many other dishes, so stay tuned on my video. This is a very common home-cooked dish that I've been eating since I was a child. It was always made at home. First, the eggplants are deep fried and then stir fried with other ingredients. Right now, we are just deep frying, not stir frying yet, so it doesn't have much color. But soon, it will be transformed into something delicious. Add some green chili peppers and stir fry them together. Wow! The eggplant soaks up all the sauce like a sponge, making every bite flavorful. This is also a semi-finished dish. We are preparing to make sweet and sour pork. These few flips are mainly to show some Chinese wok toasting skills. This dish needs constant stir frying over high heat to prevent it from sticking to the pan. You know, sweet and sour pork is a classic Chinese dish, but the version served in many overseas Chinese restaurants often uses ketchup in the sauce. However, the traditional version in China doesn't use ketchup at all. Instead, it relies on the perfect balance of sugar, vinegar, soy sauce, cooking wine, and ginger to create its flavor. Wow, this is definitely a chef-level dish. Watching the video now, I'm drooling. This is a cicada. I don't eat them, but my friends do. What's this? It's called deep fried cicadas, and it's actually very common in northern China. You have to catch and eat them before they turn into adult cicadas. Once they become full-grown, they are no longer edible. My friends told me that when they were kids, every summer around this time, they would go out at night to catch cicadas and fry them up. But me? No way, no way. And my family didn't eat it too. You know, I originally didn't allow them to make this dish, but they insisted, saying it's for my video to show you all something unique and eye-catching. I can't argue with that. These cicadas were actually bought online and shipped frozen. Finally, wow. I've made it to this dish. So much more pleasing to the eye. This is Hong Shao Rou, braised pork belly. It's a major dish in Chinese cuisine. It's not exactly an everyday home-style dish. Making it well takes real skill. Wow, look at the color. rich, glossy, and beautifully translucent. This is a classic home-style dish. Oh, this chili pepper is really spicy. Just smelling it makes my eyes water. It must be super satisfying to eat. Oh yeah, the last dish is finally done, and now I'm ready to welcome my friends. Every time, it's my dog who rushes out first. So enthusiastic. ！Ops! Oh, see them again! Oh my god!
No, I can't do that.
No. 太馋了。
哎我去，我的个娘呀啊！
Now the food is all on the table. Nothing makes me happier than sharing a meal with friends.
哇，不太好夹啊。
Let me try the sweet and sour pork first. Oh, my favorite dish.
这个好吃。
The braised pork belly melts in my mouth. Not greasy at all. Absolutely delicious.
就是周围的味道。
Wondering where my dog went, I had to put him in the bedroom. Otherwise, with one careless moment, this whole table of food would have been his.
上次吃还是去年。
Nobody had breakfast. Everyone's been waiting for this meal. So, no talking, just eating first.
谢谢周大厨。
新年快乐
Cheers! Okay, that's all for today's video. See you next time. Bye bye.